Hi there, Rusty Drift RC here. Today I'm going to show you my new WPL D64-1. The main difference between the 62 and the 64 is the 64 is the four-wheel drive and the 62 is the two-wheel drive. And the -1 means it's got the off-road bumpers, lights, and snorkel, and it's a different grille. And just the plain D64 or D62 has the different grille and the chrome bumper. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what this thing looks like. Coming out of the box. Up top here, we've got their package that includes their USB charger, some stickers, and other accessory parts that need to be assembled. There's a little bit of tape. Bolts this together. You've got instruction pages, the radio, just like most of the other WPL radios. They kind of small, but they seem to work, and it's relatively comfortable, not too bad. And this is the truck itself. What's nice about the D series is you've got the leaf spring rear suspension, but you also have the independent front suspension, which is kind of nice. And again, the 64 is four-wheel drive with the independent front suspension. The tires are not super soft, they're a little bit harder. I think you can get softer tires for these that'll probably work better, but in most cases these will be okay. Again, turn the spare tire, and there's your battery. It's basically a 2-cell lithium ion right there. I'll charge that up in a little while and see how things are. Again, detailed interior, right-hand drive, okay. All right, there is a little bit of assembly required for the detail parts. We'll start with the wipers here. They have 2 holes here in the cowl area, and they just have a pin and just press into place. Okay. Next we have the door handles and the tailgate handle. And these again, they just press into place. Alright, once you've got all the door handles and the tailgate handle installed, I'm going to put the lights on the roll bar. You've got to put the lens on first. Again, they just snap into place. Like that. And you're going to do all 4 of them. And then they snap right in here onto the roll bar. Next, we're going to assemble the snorkel. Put the cap on here. Just snaps into place. And then you've got 3 holes along the side here the pins go into. And just snaps into place. And then you've got your side view mirrors. We're gonna install the mirror piece. Should snap right into place. And then that again snaps into the holes right there. And same thing for the other side. It snaps in. And right into place. Then you got your license plate holders. Front one. Just snaps in right here. And at the rear, it's a little bit different. It's got these 2 tabs where it'll slide up into there, into those 2 tabs. You may want to move the spare tire to give you a little more room to get that in there. Just like that. Alright, now we got some stickers we can put on here. Tail lights and other marker lights. They just, That definitely makes a difference. Definitely makes a difference in the way this looks. Okay. Now there's a couple other ones you could use if you want, but I'm not going to put those on right now. It also comes with the double WPL stickers, which you can either put somewhere on here or anywhere else you like. It's got a couple spare parts. It came with one extra door handle, one extra roll bar light, one extra cap for the snorkel. It's got one extra drive shaft yoke and one leaf spring. Along with a small screwdriver for opening the battery door on the radio. Okay, I've got the battery charged up a little bit here. We're gonna try this out. Okay, now turn on the radio first. Turn on the truck. Left, right bind. Okay, you've got your steering trim here. Okay, also got headlights. They're pretty cool.